Okay, today we're going to take a look at this 2019 Yamaha MT-125. It's in matte grey and black. I'm going to grab the camera now, I'm going to have a good look around the bike for you. Right, let's go and take a close look at this bike. It is a really low mileage bike this. It is a one-up from new. It does come with a spare key. It's also got a full service history on this. It has recently been serviced as well. That is in the stamped in the book. As you can see, it is really clean this. Nice clean bike. It is HPI clear. It's had a full government mileage check as well. Everything's clear on that. It's got the nice big light on the front of this. Very distinctive. It's got a carbon fibre effect. Front mud guard on there. Tyres are in good condition. Also has the upside down forks on this. It does also have ABS brakes. These are learner legal as well, so if you've got your CBT, you can ride this. Really is a nice first bike to have this. It's got the sports bike look, but you've got a bit more of a sat up position, so it is nice and comfortable to commute on. Chain and sprockets looking good there. It also does have a seat on the back. If you've passed your test and you want to carry a passenger, you can do, with the pillion seat on there. Just get a quick look over the tank. Also look nice from the back, these. They are a really popular 125 as well, these, the MT-125. Don't normally last long in our showroom. The nice bright red wheels as well. They do look good. What we'll do now, we'll just get a quick look at the controls and grab my mileage for you as well. Right, let's go and grab a close look at the controls. So on the right hand side, you've obviously got your front brake on there. You've got your starter, your kill switch, and you've got an info button as well that controls the dash. Then you've also got on the left hand side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, your pass light, indicators, and your horn. What I'll do is I'll flick the ignition on and we'll get the mileage off it. So the mileage is very low mileage, just on 2,670 miles. There you go. Right, I'm just going to start this up for you now and you can listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more pictures or videos, anything close up that you think we may have missed on this bike, we can do that for you and send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you'd like to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.